What is up, YouTube? Brandon Rogers here with Chili Dog Motorsports, and we are in my driveway with the little Grom clone today. I wanted to make a quick video on stuff I keep with me on the bike at all times, under the seat, a little toolkit, extra parts, whatever. And this doesn't just have to apply to Groms and Grom clones. If you ride any bike, it's probably a good idea to have a little stuff with you in case something happens on the road. So, yeah, let's take a look. Alright, so coming over to the bike. Let's see what we got under here. Right off the rip, I got this little stash tube thing. Keep a spare spark plug and a master link for my chain in here. Pro tip, 9 times out of 10, if your chain breaks, it's going to be the master link. So carry an extra one. You can fix it right away, get back on the road. No downtime. Secondly, we have our little toolkit. I got it just kind of zip tied here to the bottom of the seat. Nice little stash bag from Builtwell. Came free with a helmet that I bought. Not saying you have to go buy this exact one, but it was a free little pouch. It's worked perfectly so far. Any kind of pouch will do. A Ziploc will do. Well, let's dive into what I keep in the tool pouch. So, taking a look at what we have in our pouch here. First off, we have, let's get them out of there. First off, we have tire patching tools. Just a little cheap plug kit. You can get them at most gas stations, Harbor Freight, whatever. These are a lifesaver. If you've ever had a puncture on the road, you know how detrimental it could be, and having the ability to plug it and patch it and keep going, that's everything. It's saved me before. So having a little plug kit is awesome to keep on the bike at all times. Moving on, we have just basic screwdrivers, a flathead, a Phillips. You never know when you're going to need them or what you need them for. Just good basic tools to have. Moving on further. Oh, come on, get out of there. We have just the basic wrenches needed to really tighten or loosen any bolt on the bike. You'll kind of learn as you're working on your bike what you really need. I just kind of go through and figure out what's real common sizes. Like make sure to have wrenches for your axles, your chain tensioner, stuff like that. Real common stuff that you might need to, fix on the road. What do we have next? Next, I just have a little stubby ratchet wrench and a couple sockets for some of the harder to get places. Like you'll see, there may be some places you can't really get into with a wrench, so just have sockets for those sizes. And then I have the necessary Allen wrenches for anything on the bike, your handlebar clamps, your mirrors, your whatever. This has actually burned me before, not having Allen wrenches. I had all my other tools, but I didn't have Allen wrenches, and I needed to tighten my handlebars, and I was SOL, which sucked. So go through, see what Allen sizes you need, keep them in your bag. They'll save you on the road. And lastly, I just got a little tire pressure checker. Yeah, you can, when you stop for lunch or whatever, check your tire pressure, make sure everything's good. And lastly, a bicycle pump. Just kidding. Don't carry one this big with you. Get one of the little guys. You can keep it under the seat or in the tool bag or whatever. I just don't have one because mine broke, so I need to go get another one. Um, Honestly, it kind of sucks pumping up a tire with one of those, the little hand pumpy guys, but if you're out in the middle of nowhere with no way to inflate a deflated tire, it's worth its weight in gold, and you will appreciate the fact that you spent $5 to buy one. And then I just keep that little pouch zip tied under the seat so it doesn't go nowhere. You always got it with you, you know? So it's always good to have a couple things with you on the road, just basic tools. It sucks to break down in the stupid, most basic ways and have no way to fix it. So none of this stuff is expensive. It's all just the cheapest stuff I could get at Harbor Freight or wherever. Nothing fancy. You don't need to have snap-on tools under there. Uh, and this is just a good idea for any bike. I've needed tools on this bike, on my Harleys, on, whatever else. Just, be able to fix your own bike, save yourself, and get back home. That's what it's all about. And if you like what we got going there, I'm going to put together a comprehensive list and some links down in the description below, and it will be specific to Grom clones. So if you have a different bike other than a Grom clone, some of the stuff might work, but that list is going to be specific to these Grom clones, at least for most of the tools. Also, if you have different aftermarket parts than I do, make sure you got the proper tools for those parts, because some of these tools are going to be specific, like to my mirrors. They have a Allen wrench, isn't really used anywhere else on the bike. So yeah, just kind of keep that in mind. Keep an open mind there. Check your bike, see what you need. But yeah, so if you like the tools, the extra parts, whatever, check out that description. We'll have a comprehensive list with some links for you. As always, thanks for watching. We appreciate each and every one of you. But now I think it's time to get out of my driveway. Get on out of here.